Raindrops falling gently on the quiet street. Leej, you're beside me and my heart skips a beat. Your hair dripping softly like the sky's tender tear. And all of the world fades away when you're near. The clouds can cry, the winds can sigh, but nothing pulls my gaze from your eyes. Oh, Leej, kiss me in the rain. Let the storm wash away every worry, every pain. Your lips feel like sunshine breaking through the gray. A spark of warmth lighting up a silver day. Oh, Leej, hold me close again. There's magic in your kiss in the pouring rain. Heartbeat above, but your voice is the whisper that I'm dreaming of. Your touch on my cheek feels like summer in June. Even so, to the bone, I'm drowning in your tune. And in this moment, nothing else is true. Just the raindrops and the way I look at you. Oh, Leej, kiss me in the rain. Let the storm wash away every worry, every pain. Your lips feel like sunshine breaking through the gray. A spark of warmth lighting up a silver day. Oh, Leej, hold me close again. There's magic in your kiss in the pouring rain. Let the streets flood, let the sky fall. I don't mind the cold at all, 'cause wrapped in your arms I understand. Even storms feel soft when you're holding my hand. Oh, Leej, kiss me in the rain. Let the whole wide world disappear, let love remain. Your smile is the rainbow after everything. A promise of peace only your heart can bring. Oh, Leej, forever I'll remain, lost in your sweet kiss in the gentle rain.